Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the border around a text box in Excel. First, insert a text box, go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and draw one anywhere in your sheet. Type in any text you want. Next, click on the text box to select it. Right-click on text box and choose Format Shape. To remove the border, select No Line. Your text box will now have no visible border. And there you go! The text box now appears clean, without any border. This is perfect for adding unframed notes or labels to your Excel sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this quick Excel tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.